Making money in the market is based on decisions, and those decisions are focusing on maximizing the profit and minimize the losses. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to show you how can you enter from strong entries and where can you get out of the market when you see some signs that showing you that the market is going to change the direction against your decision, so that you can get out of the market before the market hit your stop loss or closing and secure some profits. That sounds amazing, guys. Give us a favor, subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and I will see you in the minutes on an amazing today's video. Okay, welcome back. So guys, in the market, when we are taking decision of buying and selling, the purpose is to make profit. So the time when you are in the market, you need to maximize the profit and minimize the losses. You can even also be consistency in the market with the very high winning rate, but your decisions have to be based on the rules. So by trading what you see, not what you hope. Let's talk about this movement from GJ. We predicted this currency pair from the start of January this year. So we have been moving up. So we are going to take a look on how can you make sure that you have to close the order when you are in the danger areas. Which information are you waiting for to leave the market or to stay in the market? Where are the better entries we are going to be taking from this price action? So now the market was moving up. As you can see, we're in the uptrend. There's no doubt on that. So then we were expecting the pullbacks from these areas to make the balance from this area. And if we continue moving down, we're expecting also to be buying from this area. This is a higher time frame. This is a daily time frame. So now the target was from at least this area. Remember from our previous videos, we have even the higher target than this one. You can check from weekly time frame. So now let's target this area. Where are we supposed to be entering is from this area and this area. So now that's how we predicted the market to continue upside. So we are going to take a look on some examples on how did we enter from this market and how did we close some profits and how did we close some small losses and which characters did we see in the market so made us to close those orders. Here we moved down, rejected from this area, so where you can start looking for buy. This is our demand area, and even this low, we have to move to the lower time frame so that you can buy from there. So I want to see where did we start to buy from. Okay, let's see what happened. We moved down, okay, breaking, making an equal low from that area. You have to buy from that area, moving up. Okay, down again, so multiple times. So even now we reacted from internal area from this side, from here, where I think we are now moving up. So let's take an examples and see what happened. Okay, we are from the areas of reversals. Even if we are in the uptrend from the higher time frame, we had a deep pullback from this area, from here, so that we are expecting the market to continue in the upside. So now, when we are moving up, we are creating higher highs and higher low. You remember that. So from those higher highs and higher lows, sometimes the market will be moving by not creating the balance area. So we have to wait until the market make a pullback to balance those areas so that we can buy from there. And then we continue with the trend or we reverse with the trend. So that's why we had to wait from this area that I'm going to be talking about. From here, the market was moving up. This is a sign of a reversal. So by moving up, we have to wait from these areas, okay, so that we can continue move in the upside direction. Then what happened, what we are seeing here, we have an equal lows. This is the low and this is another low. So the market made a low to the lower high, to the lower low because we broke the previous low, to the lower high in general, sweeping this liquidity, low to the high, to the low, the high. So to someone who believes in chart patterns, we be seeing this as a neckline, waiting from this area so that you can buy from this area. But remember, the stop loss is still from this low, below these lows. So someone who is waiting to buy from better entries, this is our entire area we are going to be waiting from to buy this market. So now what happened? The market decided to move up. Okay, moving up, we have to wait until we get that retracement from these areas so that we can continue with the market. Okay, so still moving up. So we have this area and we have also internal areas. To someone who trade break and retest, we be buying from this area, and even before should be waiting from even this area. So we need to make sure that we can see this one plus this. If we reject from this area, will be an equal low from here, from this pullback, but our focus is this area. So let's see what happened. Moving up, moving down. Okay, someone will be waiting from this area, but we need to buy from strong area so that we can move with the trend. Where are we rejecting? We are rejecting from this area. That's why I will not buy from this area. I'm waiting for a strong pullback from the downside so that we can move with the trend. Reaction. You have to be patient and wait for the market. Okay, we start making a reaction from that area, breaking below this area. The next area that we are looking for will be this one. Okay, reaction from that area. Can we move up? No, we are still moving down. Reaction, making an equal low, rejecting from this area. It's moving up. So here, this is what we have to say. As long as the market is trying to make a reaction from the previous lows, which are not stronger, do not enter in the market by expecting that we continue in the upside. If you entered from this area, with the confirmation from this area, this is a break and retest, so we left this area as a better area. So if we entered from this area, remember your target will be this area at least, so that we are waiting for the market to make a pullback to this area as a what? As a continuation over a deep pullback. This will be the last target. To someone who waiting to buy from this area, I'll be waiting for better entry so that I can make more money. Okay, let's see what happened. The reaction from that area. So here, I will be waiting for a touch from this area. I will not enter the market until I get a reaction with the bullish candlesticks from this area. So where I can set my buy limit, remember, from this area, my stop loss is below the previous low. From this entire low, I'm expecting the market to continue to change the direction to the upside. Let's see if we can get a reaction. Consolidation now. So as you can see, we are so close to touch from the down area, this area. So as we are creating liquidity, let's see what happened here. The market is trying to move up from beginners. We'll be entering from there, expecting that the market is going to move up. So when you set a stop loss from these areas, let's see if you can survive. This is a sign that I will be waiting for the market until we get the confirmation from this area so that you can make a safe money. Okay, let's see, still consolidating. So you can see now we are trying to move up and rejecting from this area. So let's see if we can still move up or we are going to move down so that we can activate our buy limit. That is the creation, or this entire movement is a consolidation and this is a liquidity. Now we activated our buy limit. Now we are in the trade. The stop loss, remember, is below the previous low. So now we are going to move up. You can see, that's why I like to tell people that you have to make sure that you focus on few pairs when you are trading. As long as you know the personality of that pair, it will be easy for you to make sure that you are entering from better entries. So now you can see what we know about GBP Japanese yen. This is the movement we can get from that pair. So let's see if we can move up so that we can get to our target, or where are we going to be entering for the next movement. We are moving up, so we left this area which is imbalance. We have this area as a demand area. We have some internal areas to buy from this area. So let's see, we have to make sure that we can set a buy limit again from this area by anticipating the market to move up. Moving up, the action from that area. I'm not going to enter from that area. So you remember these consolidations, the liquidity we created from this area is the same that we are creating from this area. So now we are moving up. Let's see if we can continue. If we continue, it's okay. I will be in the trade, but I have to wait until if I get this opportunity also from the downside, I will be taking a buy also from this area. Moving down now. So as we are moving down, where are we buying from? We have two areas. We have the first one from this area. We have also this area. This is an equal lows. I don't want the market to make other equal lows for creating other liquidity from this area. I need the market to make a low from here so that we can continue in the upside. Let's see what is going to happen. Moving down, so reaction from this area. Let's see what happened. Can we enter? Yes. What I wanted to talk about is what you are going to see from this entry that I'm going to take. So I will let you know how am I going to be leaving this trade if I see some reaction that I'm going to be showing you. Consolidation, moving down, I'm out of the trade. Okay, so let's see what happened. Am I gonna enter again from this trade? Let's see. Okay, we have an head and shoulder. Hello. So we created a neckline from that area, and we even have in general a demand zone from this area. If we make a high to the low, we are going to continue with the higher high. So let's see what happened. Consolidation again, no entry. We are not moving up. Consolidation. Okay, guys, remember from this area we have been consolidating. We moved up and we moved down. We didn't get better entries to continue in the upside. From even this area, we are waiting from this area down here from the demand zone. So then after the market consolidated for a very long, and we created liquidity from this area, the same as here, the same as what we are seeing from this area. That's why I will not enter from this trade until the market make a move down to balance this area, because now I see more equal lows. why are we not moving up? You have to make sure that you leave this market if you entered from this area. Okay, this consolidation is not for peace. Remember, we have this buy limit from this area, reacted from this area. Now I will enter with this reaction because we touched it from this area. So now this is an entry. The stop loss will be below the previous low. Then now I'm expecting the market to continue in the upside. The stop loss is below the previous low. This low here, anticipating the uptrend continuation. Okay, we are moving up now. So where are we going to be waiting to buy from for the next time? We are going to be waiting from this area, this one, okay, and even we have internal area to buy from, this one. So let's see what happened. Better entry will be from this area. Activated this area, so this area is not strong enough. When you want to buy from this area, how can you decide if you are going to stay in the market or leave the market? So entering from this area, the stop loss is from this area. The target now will be at least from these areas here, which is very, let's see, at least here, which is very risky. Stop loss is from this area. Let's see what happened. Okay, moving up, we got to our target, which is better. So I need the reaction from the downside area, from this area, so that we can continue upside. Reaction, we got a reaction, yes. Can we enter again? The answer is yes. Let's enter from here. But still we have to be careful because we have an imbalanced area from downside. Okay, the target is still from the same area. My stop loss this time will be here. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, consolidation. So aggressive as we are seeing this consolidation. So this is where you have to get out of the market. As you are consolidating, you were expecting to enter from this area and the market to continue in the upside, and then now the market is trying to move down, and even we can see that we are out of the trade. So this consolidation means that you have to make sure that you are getting out of the market. The time you should have been closed is from when you started seeing this reaction from this area, which was from upside here. So you have to close from right over here without hitting your stop loss. So now let's see what happened and get to our entry. This will be our entry. Okay, we are still moving, so we are still reacting from that area, and that's where the market is now. Okay, so this was from Monday. So we were expecting to buy from this area, and then what happened is the same as what I was trying to explain. So you can see from this area we reacted, but we moved up. We are still consolidating from this area. This is a liquidity. Very strong area we have to wait from now is the down this area here. So that's where now you can see the market is trying to move down, and we focus from this area to buy from this area, anticipating the market to continue in the upside. This is GJ. So this is also now the prediction that we are looking for from next week. So this liquidity is the same as this one, the same as this one. Okay, you can see where, and the same the previous very strong liquidity from this area where we moved down, and then we started creating liquidity from this area, this one, until we activated our order. Then we moved up, liquidity again we moved up, down, liquidity, we moved down, activated our order. So that's what we are waiting for from this area. Okay, you can see here we are moving up, consolidation, moving down, liquidity. So we need down and uptrend continuation. So that's what we are focusing on from GJ. We are still in the uptrend, remember? So we are still expecting the market to continue in the uptrend. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Remember to subscribe on the channel, leave the comment below, like the video, and I will see you next time. Be safe.